Welcome to this Alfa Laval instruction video about how to assemble an Alfa Laval TestUnit M20 in a 2.5-inch spiral configuration. Remember, this tutorial is a supplement to the user manual and does not replace it. To ensure safe and correct use, please read the manual carefully. These are the tools and spare parts required to assemble an Alfa Laval TestUnit M20 in a spiral configuration. Start by dismounting the pressure regulating valve from the bottom flange of the M20 unit. Connect it to the end of the housing closer to the tank. Next, disconnect the heat exchanger from the top flange of the M20 unit. Mount it on the other end of the housing. How to prepare and load the element into the housing. Start by applying lubricant onto the O-ring surface. Mount it on the end plug. Insert the end plug into the spiral. Now, load the element halfway into the housing from the regulating pressure valve side. Next, apply lubricant on the O-ring surface and mount them on the ATD, anti-telescopic device. Insert the ATD into the spiral. Mount the clamp gasket on the housing. Hold back the spiral element jutting out of the housing while connecting the end cover with the ATD onto the spiral element. Align the end cover onto the clamp gasket. Mount the clamp ring and tighten it. For closing the feed end of the housing, mount the clamp gasket, the blank disc, and the clamp ring. Tighten it firmly. Finally, connect the permeate hose to the permeate hose connection. Connect the appropriate pressure gauges. Connect the heat exchanger to an auxiliary cooling heating circuit. The cooling media should be counter-current to any feed flow. The Alfa Laval TestUnit M20 in a 2.5-inch spiral configuration is now successfully assembled.